Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Science is Math. Our topic today will be how the nervous system works. Have you ever wondered who is the boss in our body? The answer is the brain. When you are taking a big math test, you know that your brain is hard at work. But actually the brain is doing more than just remembering the formulas. The sweaty palms you get when you are answering the questions, that is how the brain works. Also, the relief that you feel when you know the answer is right, it is the brain too. It is simply the busiest part of your body. It also controls the things that you might not think about. For example, your heartbeat and also whether you are sleepy or awake. So now, let's take a look at the examples of how the brain and nerves work in everyday life.
I feel so thirsty. Oh! How could I not see this sign? Don't worry, I'm here for you.
I have bad news for you. You have to do your assignment during your holiday. Yay!
What?
Okay, what are you scheduling?
I'm not used to cold.
How is this happening? The senses. Sight. Sight probably tells us more about the world than any other sense. Light entering the eye forms an upside-down image on the retina. The retina transforms the light into nerve signals for the brain. The brain then turns the image right side up and tells us what we are seeing. Hearing. Every sound we hear is the result of sound waves entering our ears and causing our eardrums to vibrate. These vibrations are then transferred along the tiny bones on the middle ear and converted into nerve signals. The cortex then processes these signals, telling us what we are hearing. Taste. The tongue contains small groups of sensory cells called taste buds that react to chemicals in foods. Taste buds react to sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. Messages are sent from the taste buds to the areas in the cortex responsible for processing taste. Smell. Olfactory cells in the mucous membranes lining each nostril react to chemicals we breathe in and send messages along specific nerves to the brain that can distinguish between more than 10,000 different smells. With that kind of sensitivity, it's no wonder research suggests that smells are very closely linked to our memories. Touch. The skin contains more than 4 million sensory receptors, mostly concentrated in the fingers, tongue, and lips, that gather information related to touch, pressure, temperature, and pain and send it to the brain for processing and reaction. How the nervous system works. The basic functioning of the nervous system depends a lot on tiny cells called neurons. Motor neurons carry messages away from the brain and back to the rest of the body. All neurons relay information to each other through a complex electrochemical process, making connections that affect the way we think, learn, move, and behave. Synapses and neurotransmission. Messages are passed from neuron to neuron through synapses, small gaps between the cells with the help of chemicals called neurotransmitters. Transmit an action potential message across the synapse. Neurotransmitter molecules are released from one neuron across the gap to the next neuron. The process continues until the message reaches its destination. There are millions and millions of connections between neurons within the spinal cord alone. These connections are made during development using positive and negative signals to fine-tune them. Amazingly, a single axon can form synapses with as many as 1,000 other neurons.